Psychosynthesis. Meditation on harmonization and flow. Sit in a comfortable position. Relaxing any tensions in your body. Become the observer, noticing all the different sensations in your body, accepting them with an open mind. Observe your breath. Now, observe your emotions and mood. Don't try to change anything. Just observe. Accept what is present. Now step back mentally. Observe your thoughts and inner talk. Become aware of your thoughts, slowly letting them go. The task is not to change your thoughts, but to let them pass like clouds crossing the sky. Now, observe your awareness and focus on its source. Recognize yourself as the observer. Now turn your attention to the heart center. Located between your shoulder blades and extending to the middle of your chest. Sense its softness and sink into its center. Notice how this feminine being slowly opens and softens your chest. Sense this softness flowing through your heart, connecting you with all of life. Now visualize in your heart a blue-white light, and in the center of this light you see a beautiful lotus bud. Sense how this bud contains the essence of peace and harmony. Feel the bud slowly open up. Petal by petal, releasing a fragrance of peace and harmony that spreads through your entire being. Know that this bud is an inner being of beauty and grace. See how it radiates a love that can open all hearts with its gentle and powerful beauty. Go deeper and deeper into your awareness of this beautiful lotus flower, becoming one with it. Now allow the energies of the lotus flower to rise up to a point in front of your forehead and open your inner eye. This is your spiritual eye. With this eye, you can see into your inner world with clarity and love. Become this eye and relax as you see into your psychological world. And see the disharmonic states within. It is as if you are sitting in a theater, facing the stage, and you can hear the voices and observe the inner figures that cause disharmony in your mind. Feel into the disharmony and look upon it with acceptance and kindness. Ask what the disharmony needs. Sense intuitively which soul quality is needed to transform this disharmony into its opposite. What spiritual quality needs to be released? Love, beauty, truth, power? Sense intuitively the quality that is needed. When you know which soul quality is needed, allow this quality to emanate from your inner eye, emerging like a beautiful fragrance of healing and harmony. Surround the disharmony with this quality, seeing how the disharmony is gently healed so that it resolves into its natural quality. Don't force this to happen. Just allow the soul quality to flow like a fragrance, holding the intention for healing, and see this happen with your inner eye. Sense how the healing flows out effortlessly, transforming an old pattern of energy. Feel the flow of harmony, of ease, of well-being. Now, start to radiate your newfound qualities to everybody in your network and beyond, especially to those who carry the same type of disharmony. Let the qualities radiate out of your body, emotions, and mental field, noticing how they heal the people you know. Just radiate effortlessly, like a radio transmitter sending out your soul qualities. Now, become aware of your body and your surroundings, and slowly, gently open your eyes.